straight into our debate this evening. Should you and I be paying at least part of the cost of the Commonwealth Games? Let's go to our newsmaker tonight, Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit. Now, Ms. Dikshit, how difficult was this as a decision for you to take, to transfer a part of the burden of costs to the taxpayer? What made you do it?
Well, the only burden that we've really passed on to the taxpayer is really the burden of the subsidy which was being given to them where the LPG gas is concerned. That subsidy was started about 3 years ago, 2.5, 3 years ago, when a whopping 50 rupees per cylinder was increased by the central government due to international prices. We took on that burden of 40 rupees. And I think now, since the central government also decreased its price of LPG, we thought that this was the correct moment and the right moment to roll this back.
But, ma'am, many would argue that 41 rupees more is a lot for any average middle-class family to be paying for cooking gas. I mean, would you disagree with that?
No, I do believe that. There is a feeling that we charge VAT on this. And we hope that the finance minister, many members have spoken about this, that we will remove the VAT, which comes to about 5%. So the difference that will really be left then would be, I mean, they would be saving about 12 to 13 rupees. So if we remove VAT, which is very likely, and I hope we'll be able to do it, I think the burden will really become less. It's not our intention at all, Barkhaji, to, give more hardship to the common man. And we've done whatever has been possible in this past 1 year, when inflation has been at an all-time high. You know that inflation in Delhi has been only 11% as compared to 14, 13, 15% in other places, and about 16% all over India. You also know that the daily wages have been increased from a minimum of 34, 33% to about 48, 47% per day. So, we've tried to do that. Recently, the government of India has announced an increase in its DA. So, income is being matched with whatever prices may rise.
Okay, but the opposition is asking a simple question, which is that you've known for 2-3 years that the Commonwealth Games are going to cost a certain amount. Why did you not raise the tax earlier, or why did you not address this issue of costs earlier? Why now?
No, I would not like to answer this question, because had we done it 2 years earlier or 3 years earlier, then they would have said, look, the common man, you are burdening that. Now, today we are doing it at a time when we feel that the incomes have come up, there's a fairly good situation, we have brought down the prices. We've also built in infrastructure, which we would normally have done over the next 5 or 7 years.
Tuba.com